What if your Mardi Gras table centerpiece didn't just decorate the table, but stole the entire show? What if the moment your guests walked into the room, their eyes were drawn straight to the center of the table, glowing with color, sparkle, drama, and celebration? A Mardi Gras centerpiece isn't meant to be quiet. It's meant to shine. It's meant to move. It's meant to celebrate abundance, tradition, and joy. Imagine feathers reaching upward like dancing flames, beads cascading in rich layers, masks catching candlelight, gold accents shimmering with every movement, and a centerpiece so full of life it feels like the heart of the party itself. Today, we're creating Mardi Gras table centerpieces that are bold, festive, layered, and unforgettable. Centerpieces that turn your table into a true celebration moment.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
Why is the centerpiece the most important part of a Mardi Gras table? The centerpiece is the soul of the Mardi Gras table. It anchors the entire design and sets the emotional tone of the celebration. While linens, place settings, and decor support the look, the centerpiece is what immediately captures attention. It tells your guests what kind of celebration they're stepping into: bold, joyful, indulgent, and full of tradition. A strong centerpiece brings energy to the table. It sparks conversation, invites admiration, and creates a focal point that feels alive. During Mardi Gras, where abundance is celebrated, the centerpiece becomes a symbol of generosity, joy, and togetherness. When the centerpiece is right, everything else naturally falls into place. If you love bold centerpiece ideas, tap like and let the inspiration continue. How can masks be used as the focal point of a Mardi Gras centerpiece? Masks are one of the most symbolic and dramatic elements of Mardi Gras decor. They represent mystery, freedom, and celebration. Placing a beautifully detailed mask at the center of your arrangement instantly creates intrigue. Masks can be elevated on stands, nestled into florals, or framed by feathers and beads. Metallic, jeweled, or feathered masks catch the light and add theatrical flair. A mask-centered centerpiece feels bold and expressive, inviting guests to embrace the playful, joyful spirit of Mardi Gras. It transforms the table into a celebration of culture, creativity, and tradition. Save this video to your playlist so you can recreate these mask-centered ideas anytime. What colors work best for a Mardi Gras table centerpiece? Mardi Gras colors are iconic and powerful, and they shine brightest when used intentionally in the centerpiece. Deep purple adds richness, royalty, and drama. Vibrant green brings freshness, energy, and life. Gold adds warmth, sparkle, and celebration. When these colors come together in a centerpiece, they instantly communicate Mardi Gras spirit. Metallic gold reflects candlelight beautifully, while purple and green ground the arrangement with bold contrast. Whether you lean more dramatic or playful, keeping these colors present ensures your centerpiece feels authentic, festive, and unmistakably Mardi Gras. Subscribe for more festive color-inspired decor ideas all year long. How can feathers add height, movement, and drama to the centerpiece? Feathers are essential to creating that signature Mardi Gras drama. They add movement, texture, and bold visual impact. Tall feather plumes draw the eye upward, creating height and elegance. Layered feathers in purple, green, and gold add depth and softness. As guests move around the table, feathers sway gently, bringing life and motion to the centerpiece. Feathers balance sparkle with softness. They make the centerpiece feel dynamic, theatrical, and luxurious, perfect for a celebration that embraces excess and joy. Check the description for the feather styles used in this centerpiece design. How can beads be styled within a Mardi Gras centerpiece? Beads are the heartbeat of Mardi Gras. Playful, iconic, and full of sparkle. When styled thoughtfully, they elevate the centerpiece beautifully. Drape beads around the base of the centerpiece to create layered texture. Let strands cascade down from vases or candle holders for movement. Mix finishes and sizes to add visual interest and richness. As candlelight hits the beads, they shimmer and glow, enhancing the festive atmosphere. Beads bring tradition and celebration into the centerpiece while keeping the look joyful and authentic. Like and share this video if you love decorating with Mardi Gras beads. How can candles enhance the Mardi Gras centerpiece? Candles add warmth, glow, and intimacy to a Mardi Gras centerpiece. They balance bold colors with soft, inviting light. Gold or jeweled candle holders reflect the glow beautifully. LED candles allow safe layering among feathers and beads. Varying candle heights create depth and dimension within the arrangement. As the candles flicker, they bring the centerpiece to life, highlighting textures, enhancing sparkle, and creating a cozy yet celebratory ambiance. Lighting transforms the centerpiece from decoration into atmosphere. Check the description for the candle holders and lighting used in this centerpiece. How can florals be incorporated into a Mardi Gras centerpiece? Florals add softness, fullness, and elegance to Mardi Gras centerpieces. They balance bold elements like metallics, beads, and masks. Deep purple blooms add richness and drama. Greenery brings freshness and contrast. Gold-accented florals or metallic sprays add festive sparkle. Whether fresh or faux, florals help tie the centerpiece together, making it feel lush, abundant, and beautifully layered. They add life and texture that complements the celebration perfectly. Check the description for floral pieces featured in this centerpiece setup. How can height and structure make the centerpiece more impactful? Height creates drama, and drama is essential for Mardi Gras. A centerpiece with vertical elements feels grand, intentional, and visually striking. Tall vases, raised stands, or elevated arrangements help the centerpiece stand out. Layering tall, medium, and low elements creates balance and depth. Height ensures the centerpiece commands attention without overwhelming the table. A well-structured centerpiece feels sculptural, like a celebration centerpiece designed to impress. Comment what kind of centerpiece you prefer, tall and dramatic or full and layered. How can small details elevate a Mardi Gras centerpiece? The smallest details often make the biggest impact. Fleur-de-lis accents honor Mardi Gras tradition and history. Metallic sprays add sparkle and movement. Mini masks or charms add personality and surprise. Confetti or bead accents around the base complete the look. These details turn a centerpiece from beautiful into unforgettable. They show intention, creativity, and celebration in every layer. Save this video to your playlist for your next Mardi Gras centerpiece setup. How does a stunning Mardi Gras centerpiece bring the celebration together? A Mardi Gras centerpiece becomes the heart of the table and the soul of the celebration. It draws people in. It sparks conversation. It creates atmosphere. Surrounded by food, laughter, and music, the centerpiece becomes part of the memory. It reflects the joy, abundance, and togetherness that Mardi Gras represents. When your centerpiece shines, the entire table feels alive, and the celebration feels complete. Subscribe now for more festive cinematic decor ideas all year long. And that is how you create a breathtaking Mardi Gras table centerpiece. Bold, layered, dramatic, and full of celebration. This is a centerpiece that honors tradition, a centerpiece that invites joy, a centerpiece that becomes the heart of the party. Let it shimmer with purple, green, and gold. Let it move with feathers and beads. Let it glow with candlelight and celebration. Laissez les bons temps rouler. Let the good times roll.